Hi guys, welcome to Studies SFDC and this is Manoj. In our previous video, we talked about Salesforce Object. I gave the link to the video in this description. Agenda of this video is to learn about standard objects and their purpose in Salesforce. Standard objects are included with Salesforce. Common business objects like accounts, contact, lead, and opportunity are standard objects. As discussed earlier, Salesforce is a pre-built application which has pre-built features to function a large organization. Salesforce has created more standard objects for organizational purposes. Organizations also can create their own custom object. We will discuss this in our next video. Salesforce created standard objects to help organizations. They created these standard objects based on their own analysis. Salesforce adds new standard objects in their new releases based on the trends in businesses. To know the trends of business, Salesforce no need to go anywhere else. They can simply observe their customers' configuration in their product, that is Salesforce. Let me explain a simple scenario how standard objects like campaign, leads, accounts, contacts, and opportunities help organizations to acquire business. Campaigns. Business can be directly record their marketing campaign information like campaign start date, how many members had attended or will attend, budget, etc. Leads and contacts. By using these objects, customer can record leads or contact details which are collected through the respective campaigns. Opportunities. From the process of lead conversion, the opportunities are generated. That is, opportunities are the past leads which are identified as qualified one. Accounts. In account standard objects, business can load customer information like address or all other information required for the business. And they can link the contacts to the respective accounts. And they can create contacts and link the respective contact to the respective account. The above well-constructed standard data model helped business to save a bundle of time to construct by themselves. I hope now you guys have an idea about standard objects. We will see more topics in our upcoming videos. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.